guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Friday. Today we are going to be unboxing my February Planner Society box. I'm very excited. I've had it for a little while now. It came in pretty early. I think it's the February or January. Oh my god, no. I don't even remember which box this is. I've had it for a while. I'll leave it right here which month it is. But I'm going to go ahead and unbox it now that I finally got the time to do it. So let's just go ahead and get started. Here is my box. I absolutely love these boxes. This is definitely a great kit to have. If you guys don't know, the Planner Society is a planner subscription, and if you're into scrapbooking, you can definitely use this kit as well. The papers are not 12 by 12, but they're definitely a decent size to create, you know, some crafty projects. I'm not sponsored or I'm not a PR for them. I just absolutely love this box and I really love having it. So I do get the planner sticker box kit and the main planner kit. And these boxes do come every other month, and they come loaded in goodies, and I just love playing around with these. So this is it right here. I really love this kit. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's definitely a spring theme type of kit. It's getting me excited for the spring just because I'm so kind of over this winter, even though I kind of do. I'm starting to like the cold a little bit just because I always feel hot. But let's go ahead and start. Actually, let's open the sticker box kit first. Look at how pretty these bags are, and definitely don't throw them out because you can definitely create like little pockets out of them or dashboards. But look at how cute it is once you open it up. I just finished cleaning my entire house. I'm super exhausted. Technically I'm filming this on a Thursday, uploading on a Friday. I took my daughter to the dentist in the morning, and then we went to the store because I wanted to try to get like a top to wear for like the Chicago Planner Conference. I didn't find anything. She found some cute stuff. And then I got home, I ate, and then I watched It Takes Two on Netflix. I remember that movie from when I was little and I was having fun watching it. And then I decided to just get up and clean. I definitely had to clean my entire house and get the laundry ready for tomorrow or for today. Today technically is Friday, and I'm going to be doing the laundry because Saturday we are going to Red Lobster for our Valentine's dinner. So happy Valentine's! Oh my god, I can't even remember. Oh my god, I hope you guys are having a great Valentine's Day and not doing chores like me. But here we go. This is the sticker box kit. Look at how cute it is. This is the little checklist with the little clipboard. Then you get some decorative stickers at the bottom. Then you get the quarter boxes, the half boxes, and then the washi type of strip stickers. So pretty. Love the bows, love the colors. Definitely the blue with like that coral pink. And then here are the decorative boxes. Look at how pretty that butterfly is. The vases, the handbag. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then here you get your functionals like your to-dos headers, your date covers, which is like the Monday through Wednesday or weekend headers. Then you get the bow headers, the quarter checklist, and then these on the side with the bows. So really cute. Overall, loving this kit, and I can't wait to use it. It really is such a beautiful kit, and I think I'm going to save it for March. Alright, so then up next, wow, this is heavy. Look at how cute this bag is. I love it. Oh my god, look at all these goodies. Let's just go ahead and start in the order everything is. We're going to start with the little stuff like the washi tape. Look at how cute this washi is. So you always get one roll of washi, which is really cool. So if you definitely love washi tape, this is good to have. That kind of took a little bit, but here we are. It has like a beautiful rose gold foil and a gold foil. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I love this washi tape. Super cute. Alright, and then next we have the pen. The pen is super cute. You got the florals at the bottom and then the white polka dot at the top with the gold base. So really pretty once you open it. Look at how cute that tip is. And I just love this pen. Absolutely gorgeous. And then here we have the bag. Oh my gosh, I love these bags, and I've been collecting them just because I love them so much. And these are fun for like when you travel or when you know, go on like a nice little long road trip. But look at how cute these are. And this is actually a longer bag. Yeah, this is longer because the previous ones maybe go up to like right here. I love that. It looks like the size of an A5 ring planner. That's really, really pretty. As you can see, it has the pleather with the florals, the pink bow, the clear plastic with the polka dots, and then the solid pink with the polka dots, the zipper. Once you open it up, nice and huge. I love that. That's so cute. All right, so then next we have the die cuts. Always my favorite to look forward to, which is the die cuts and the paper. I think the paper always just kind of tells me what I want to do with it. Here is the background. I never throw those out. They're good for page markers. All right, so then you got some decorative little cards. Now or never. Small steps every day. I can't read. I'm so tired. Start your day with a smile. Let your dreams lead. Oh, I love that one. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. Oh, that's so cute. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. Oh, I love that. All right, and then you get some of the bigger die cuts like the decorative cards. Super cute. Oh my God, and you get a lot of butterflies. I love these butterflies. So then you get the little luggage and the suitcases with the butterflies, the butterfly in the handbag. That handbag is so cute. And then you get the little like vanity dresser or the desk. More butterflies. Oh my gosh, I can see these in a 3D pop-up foam. How cute would that be? And then you got these gorgeous flowers. Absolutely beautiful. Love those. And then you get the tiny flowers and a tiny butterfly and the vase and the handbag. How cute is that? All right, so next we get these stencils. These are the alphabet stencils. Never really used stencils. I do have quite a bit. That's the backing. Here is the stencil. This one has like different kinds of banners. Super cute. And then this one has the alphabet and the numbers 0 through 9. And then some little decorative pieces. How cute is that? All right, and then next we get this cute little pink bag with the white polka dots. And again, don't throw it out. You get stickers. How cute are these? Oh, these definitely have a lot of great gold foil on them. How cute. So you get the butterflies with the handbags and the suitcase. Those are the main prints. Then you get these little boxes. I like to use these also for date covers. So if you, want to use those, say, for your TN, you want to use these for your planner, you could just put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc. That's an idea. And then you get the little hashtag words and the planner addict, date night, etc. Then you get the decorative stickers. Isn't that cute? I love that. And then, of course, I always love seeing these. I use these all the time in my projects and my TNs. Here's the little backing. These are the word toppers, and a lot of you guys always ask me when you guys see them in my page markers or my dividers, you guys always ask me where they're from, and they are from the Planner Society. So if you love these, subscribe to the box. I know it's crazy to just subscribe to the box if you really love this, but trust me, once you see everything else, you're gonna love it as well. So here we got the month. And these are in gold. She always changes that out, which I love. You got the week, the notes, and the list. And then you get the decorative ones with the polka dots, the floral, the plaid, and then the yellow background with the florals. That one's so pretty. All right, and next we got the paper clips. This time she sent 2 paper clips, which is pretty cool. How awesome is that? So you get this like black and white plaid paper clip, and then the pink with the white polka dot on a gold paper clip. That's so cute. I love that. All right, and then next we get the little stamps. Now that I have a stamp block, I can definitely try to use these a little more often. So you get the stamp block. Let me just keep it on here so you can see. So you get appointment, remember, must do, to do. These are kind of tiny. I don't really like that. But if you have a tiny little planner like the Happy Planner micros, those will work perfect for this, and then you get like little boxes, so that's really cool. Urgent buy call, super cute. All right, next is this right here, and let me see what this is. Oh my god, I'm seeing something cute. All right, we got, oh, the washi page markers. Yes, that's the background. Look at how cute that is. This would fit perfectly in my traveler's notebook. And then you can definitely wrap washi around these. If you don't want to wrap washi, you can put sticky notes on here, and then maybe put like, I would put the sticky note in the middle and then maybe like washi tape at the bottom to decorate. That would be really cute. Maybe you want to double-side it with the paper, you can do that. But look at how cute that is, and no need to laminate it because this is already nice and it has that laminated glossy feel to it. All right, and then you get a small one too. Look at how cute with the butterfly at the top, love that. And then you get the transparent ones that look like vellum. These are absolutely gorgeous, love these. And then you get the one with the blue border and the butterfly at the top. You get the one with the pink border and the flowers at the top. And then you get 2 of each of the small ones. Isn't that cute? Oh yes, obsessed. All right, next is this. This is definitely a new item. For the most part, she does like to switch out like special items like the paper clips. If there's not a paper clip, then you'll probably get a charm or a planner clip. And then sometimes instead of sending the washi markers, she'll send like a washi book or a washi album. So those are things to look for. It's always nice to see what new things she's going to throw in here, and look at how cute this is. Definitely super, super obsessed. So you get the little like a rose gold, like it's like a rose ribbon, and then always keep the ribbon, never throw it out. And then you get little page flags. Look at how cute these are. Oh my god, I'm loving the blue. I love this color combination, period. And then you get a new set of notepads. How cute is this? This is definitely fun to, you know, keep on your desk and, you know, have really close so that you can just kind of put you know, what you're going to be doing. So say if you're the kind of person who likes to do a planner spread with stickers and washi tape, but you don't want to write on it yet until you do that, then, you know, you can always transfer the stuff here, write down what you're going to be doing Monday through Sunday, and when you're ready to decorate your spread and get your spread ready for the week, then just take everything you wrote in here and transfer it onto your planner. And you get weekly goals, top 3 priorities, and don't forget. Oh my god, and you get a lot of sheets. This is so pretty. I love this. All right, and then the next item is the tabs. I got them right. I'm always saying dividers. But look at how cute this background is. It will make a nice divider, or yeah, a dashboard, divider, whatever you want to use it for. And then you get the little tab words. So you put these words on your little tabs, and these are the tabs that go on your dividers. I always get it wrong, and I got it right this time. These are so cute, love them. These are actually stickers, so you just peel them off, fold them in half onto your paper, and bam, super easy. Then we get some lace pockets. Haven't gotten these in a while. These are so cute. Wow, I feel like she sent us a lot of good stuff in this one. Okay, so then again, that's the background. And then we got the blue pocket, which is absolutely beautiful. And I feel like this one will definitely fit in my traveler's notebook. How cute is that? So you get a little pocket right here. You can always decorate it. If you want to take off the lace, you can definitely do that too and use this to decorate like your divider, like that kind of, right? That's an idea. So then you get a yellow pocket. Oh, mine came off. The adhesive came off. It's okay, easy fix. I can just add some adhesive. But how cute is that? If I don't want to use it like that, I can just, again, maybe throw the pocket on here. Something like that, right? And then the pink one, of course. How cute is that? And then the pockets right here. The adhesive's about to come out. Super cute. I like those. Alright, next is this one. I always get stumped with this one because I feel like I never know what to use this for or how to use it. These are the like washi border stickers. Well, I call them washi border stickers, but it's basically a border. It's like a lace. So you take it off, and as you see, that's how it looks. right? So essentially you can use it as a washi border. You can put it on your divider, like use the yellow one maybe, to give it a cute little border, maybe decorate a pocket or something. I'm guessing that's how you can use them, but you get the blue and the yellow, and then I forgot what this color is. You get the light pink and then this color, which is another form of a pink. And then here we got the alphas. I love using alpha stickers. So these are so cute. You get 4 of each, which is amazing. I love that, because plenty of times I want to spell planner girl. That's like the main word I like to use my alphas with, and then for the most part, then I run out of a letter. But look at how cute these are, and these are like a gold glittery alpha sticker, so really cute. All right, and then lastly is the paper. I always look forward to the paper, and it looks so pretty, and I think I'm definitely going to use this in my TN as my setup, and then I might even make my Clever Fox dashboards with this. How cute. This is so pretty. All right, so you get 2 of each. 2 of these. Look at how pretty that is. That is calling my name for a TN. Oh my god, how pretty would a TN look in this? And you got these 2. Not really filling this one, but either way it works. Super cute. And then you got the vellum. Look at how cute the vellum is. Ooh, that's cute. And then you got the florals. That's vellum too. And then you got the acetate, which is super cute. Look at all those gold butterflies. And then you got the gold polka. I love these. I've been collecting these. I just love having them, and they're good for pictures too. And then you get the paper with the lace border. Yes, I love that. And then you get the 2 yellows with the butterflies in the back. How cute is that? Oh, I love this kit. Absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, Christy did such a good job with this kit. Truly in love, truly obsessed, and I can't wait to play around with it. But that's pretty much it, you guys. That is my Planner Society unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will leave the link for the Planner Society down below for you guys to check out. I do follow her on Instagram, but if you want to follow her, I do have that info down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and as always, if you enjoyed it and want to see more, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.